Hi mommies! Let me show you another educational toy na napakagandang gamitin or laruin ng ating mga little ones. So this is the educational computer. Ayan, ang daming pwedeng matutunan dito ng ating mga little ones.
Let's learn the letters. A, B, C, D, W, X, Y, Z. Let's spell the word. A, P, P, L, E, apple. Let's learn the words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the music. One, two, three, four, five, six. 9 minus 8 is. You are right. Excellent.
So ayan mga mi, napakaganda nga nito at perfect din tong pangregalo. Meron din itong color blue. So if you like mga mi, nasa yellow basket lang.